Every day, I use artificial intelligence to research, translate, and even create videos. The most commonly used are ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Perplexity, DeepSeek, Qwen. I only use Pictory AI to create my YouTube videos. But one single moment completely changed my direction, and it started with a YouTube travel blogger. Was watching Dmitry Komarov's channel, Mir Naznanku, The World Inside Out. In one episode about China, he visited a traditional pharmacy. What happened next blew my mind. The doctor diagnosed patients just by checking their pulse, their skin, their eyes, then gave instant advice: acupuncture, massage, diet, lifestyle. Patients bought the treatment on the spot, and that was it. Problem solved. From that moment, the idea stuck in my head. I started searching in Russian, English, and Chinese, using Google, Google Translate, Baidu, and every tool I could find. At that time, I had not yet used artificial intelligence in information search. Then I discovered something crazy. My very first email to a Chinese company about this device was back in August 2021. It never even got delivered, due to technical problems. But the universe had already set me on this path. I hired a translator on Fiverr, who contacted this company and received answers to my questions. At that time, the translation into English was still in progress. The translator advised me to install WeChat for the best communication. I had several unsuccessful attempts to install the Chinese messenger WeChat on my phone. Then I found a person from China in Bratislava who helped me install WeChat in a few minutes. The catch was that for a full installation, another person who was already a WeChat user was required. Through WeChat, I found contacts of this Chinese company, and all issues were resolved faster. Answers to my questions arrived daily. And just last week, I finally got official permission to share their video, a tutorial showing exactly how this device works. Of course, I turned to AI again. I needed to translate the original 3-minute 44-second video from Chinese to English. Gemini AI suggested and I try Kapwing. It worked perfectly. So here's how I'll share it with you. First, my own test of the device with friends. Another device testing with friends. Then, the original Chinese video. Finally, the translated version with subtitles created by AI. And now I need your help. How accurate is this translation? Did AI do a good job, or would you improve it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because your feedback will shape the next step of this journey.